Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nokuhle Kumalo and today's video is a roundup. So some of you might be starting your new jobs this year, others might be starting university, some might be trying to invest their first rand, while others are probably trying to buy their first car or house. Whatever the case may be, welcome to this channel. I hope that this video will be a great directory for you to know where to look for the stuff that you are looking for. And before we go any further, let's do a quick roll call because I do love to see that you guys are still with me, you're engaged. So drop in the comments and let me know. My question is, how was your 2024 year? Comment A if you had a fantastic year, it was super exceptional, exceeded your expectations. Comment B if you had a good year, it went just as planned. Comment C if you had an average year, you had some highs but you also had some lows. And then lastly, comment D if you had a terrible year and you're glad that it's over. And with that being said, I want to say I had a great 2024 year. I think it went as expected, to be quite honest, because I am quite a big planner. However, a lot of other things did happen that took me by surprise, shocked me, but also reaffirmed me in telling me that I'm in the right place and I'm doing the right thing. And I'm seeing a lot of positives and I'm achieving some of the goals that I thought I'd only achieve like later on in life. And with that being said, I do want to say that in 2025, my goal is to give more back to you guys as my community. There's over 100,000 subscribers on this channel, so that's very exciting. My dad always says, so if everyone gives you 1 rand, you'll have 100,000 easily. And I'm like, yeah, but that's not the way it works. But what I'm trying to say is we are a big community, so we actually need to make sure that we are using one another's resources and knowledge. I always tell you guys, I don't claim to know everything. I promise you I don't. However, I know that when there's something that I don't know, someone else in this comment section might know. So make sure you are engaging with the content. Tell me if you agree with the stuff that I'm saying in different videos, but also tell me if you are disagreeing, because that strikes a good conversation and then we can actually work through it. I do have a free goal setting template that I've made available for you guys, so click on the link in my description box if you would like to use this. It's a new year, so I know a lot of us are trying to set goals. This template will help you set realistic goals that you can actually achieve within the year and also help you look into your 10-year plan. So I'm a big believer of tell me who you are in the future and then let's work it back, see what you need to do today to make sure you're becoming that person later. So my template works to this. And for those of you who've bought a copy of my Get Ready With Me Work Edition book, you already have this goal setting template. It is chapter 7, so you don't have to stress about trying to print it because it's already in the book. So the book is nice because it gets straight to the point. There's to-do lists, and I've actually created it with young professionals in mind. So I've assumed I just left university or I'm in my final year of university trying to plan my life as a young professional. What do I wish I knew? And I've put that all in the book. However, this channel is still sufficient for those of you who might not have the funds to buy the book. Okay, so let me give you the directory because I don't want to waste too much time. We have a long year. I have a lot of stuff planned for us, but just to recap, because I know some of you might not know of the stuff that is available. If you are trying to invest, so you are trying to make your money, make more money, or you've heard some advice that you need to save money or invest, you're at the right place. We have an investing series which is underway right now. We have about 5 or 6 videos already in that series, so do check that out. Watch as much as you can because I do explain different things. As people, we have different risk profiles and appetites, and some of us are more risky with our money and others are like, no, I'd like my money as close as possible. So that investing series helps you understand your type of risk profile so that you can do something that matters to you. Remember, it's not financial advice because I can't tell you which companies to invest in. I can't tell you which stock is going to be great this year, but what I genuinely recommend is that just start. It is always the hardest part, just starting. So putting away that 10 rand or that 50 rand is a big thing, and if you do that for me this year, I'll be super proud of you. For those of you who are already investing and you guys are underway, congratulations, you took the biggest step, and now we just need to continue and be consistent. Okay, once you get consistent and you just do it easily as if you're breathing, that is when you've hit the sweet spot, and I think I'm close to it. But I won't lie, I did hit a bit of a slump jump late last year. However, I am super excited to be back at work because it means I can make more money. For those of you who just started university, alright, so all the best, you're gonna have fun. There is a section for school/career/academics. Have a look at that. It'll cover some study methods, some of the apps that I've used for productivity, some of the things I wish I knew before all week because you guys are about to do orientation. So there's some soft skills that you guys might not know. Having said that, I am actually working on a book for high school students who are branching into university or other tertiary education, just because I just want to look at the different careers that people can look into. However, this is a work in progress. Next up, for my graduates or my final year students, well done, you're almost there. Make sure you are grabbing a copy of that Get Ready With Me book if you can. However, I do have a playlist that is catered for you that covers things like how to make a CV, how to ace your interview, how to find an apartment, how to buy a car straight out of university, things to look out for because car salespeople can get a bit fishy. However, these videos will help you throughout this whole thing. And guys, at this point, every decision you're making is probably going to have a long-term impact. So please don't rush into things. Read as much as you can. Do a lot of research. There is a lot of information available online. So even if you're not watching me, which I really hope you are, and I hope you've subscribed, and a lot of people are watching this and they don't subscribe. Guys, our stats are not looking good. I'm going to put them here. But it's fine if you're not watching my stuff. There are other creators who do cover similar topics. Just make sure you're going in with as much knowledge as possible. But having said that, I wish you guys all the best for the year of 2025. I'm super confident in our community. I think we've got quite a great group of people. We're all determined, we're all working hard, we're all trying to find new ways to make more money. Also, how could I forget side hustles? That is coming up. So any side hustles that you can do as a student, as someone who's working, or someone who actually might be unemployed, I will be covering that in a lot more detail. So make sure you are clicking subscribe so you don't miss them. But also do let me know in the comments what type of businesses you'd like me to evaluate. We've already done the vending machine business, we've done the Uber business, and I've got another one coming up soon. However, let me know what else you guys want to talk about. And from me, myself, and I, thank you so much. I am Nokuhle Kumalo and I have enjoyed making this video. By the way, I actually didn't share this with you guys, but I'm going to tell you guys now. And if you're on Instagram and my other YouTube channels, you probably already know, but I got engaged in 2024. I'm not wearing a ring. I got lobola, so it's like a Zulu traditional engagement. Some people say it's a wedding, but anyways, I won't get into the details. But I am officially a 2025 bride, and this is going to be an exciting time for me. So for all my other hopeless romantics or people who are planning weddings, I hope I do cover some content, because I can tell you now, these things are expensive. But because I am a business person, I'm already thinking of ways that I can get into this industry, like business wise, because I always say people who you should target when you're trying to sell something: people who are getting married, people who are having children, as well as women and beauty. There will always be money in those industries. People are willing to spend tons of money for nonsense, if I could say. So stick around. Let's see if one of the side hustles I do does revolve around weddings. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and I will catch you later. Bye. PS, a friendly reminder, I do have 3 channels, so if you are looking to see some of the softer side of me, because this is my serious channel, make sure you are checking out Nokuhle's diary. However, if you also want to see me in my lovey-doveyness, and also just to see how my lobola negotiations went, you can check out my couples channel. Thank you so much, guys. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.